Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited for this video because I ordered a ton of Shop Mascara. So I love watching these videos. I think they're super awesome and I've actually ordered from them before. So I have like some of the stuff, but I haven't just bought their brand. They have, so if you don't know Shop Mascara, everything's $1 on their site. And they have like a bunch of brands like LA Colors and a lot of different brands, but today I just wanted to try their brand, AOA. So I got a lot of stuff. So today I wanted to do a haul, kind of like an unboxing video, and show you what I got. If you're interested, keep watching. Alright, so I haven't opened this. It's been at my house for like a week and I've been really antsy to open this. I can't wait to see. I've like forgotten some things I got, but I'm excited about some things, so. And I did get new lighting, so hopefully everything's a little better than before. Okay, so I do like how they package things because everything is really well protected, so that's a plus. So I got a total of 26 items. And then it comes in this cute little packaging. I love unboxing stuff. It feels like presents so when you get packages, so Christmas time is really fun for me, even if I'm ordering for my relatives, because then it feels like I get the package because it has my name on it, you know? You know what I mean? Okay, so there's a lot of stuff here. I'll kind of try to show you if you can see all of my stuff. So I'm just going to go one by one and show you what I got. So first things first, I got this sponge. And I've gotten a sponge before, but I've actually watched a video where apparently this is the better sponge. It's called Wonder Blender. They have like a charity going on. This was actually $1.55. I think this was the only item that was a little more pricey besides the eyeshadow palette, but I'll get to that. And then they donated some of the money to an animal association or an animal charity, so kudos to that. I always support that. And this is, it's super soft. I'll have to see how big it gets. It's latex-free, high-definition cosmetic sponge designed for easy applying and blending. Alright, so it kind of looks like a beauty blender and I'm really excited to see how this works. Alright, next up we got Perfect Finishing Press Powder. So I just wanted to use this to kind of set my face. I did get some foundation, so I wanted this to be a setter, and I think I did get a loose setting powder, so. And this is in porcelain. I do like how they kind of put everything together. Up next, I did get a primer. It's Wonder Skin Perfecting Blur Primer. And this kind of looks like, well, first of all, I don't know if you can see it, but it has sparkles in it. So that will be interesting. I really hope that doesn't leave on my face. A skin perfecting primer that blurs imperfection and boosts the radiance of foundation. So this looks kind of silicone-y, so we'll see how that works. And I'm doing another video after this to, like, first impressions of how everything works, so give it a like if you want to see that. And then I have the AOA Studio Perfect Setting Powder. And this is in Soft Light. I think they had a translucent one, but it was super white, so I went with this one because I didn't want, like, a cast. So I've never used a BB cream before, so I got the AOA Perfect BB Cream. And I got two shades. I'll show you the other one. This one is in light because they didn't have a lot of shades, so I was nervous that it wouldn't match for me, so maybe I'll mix them or maybe one will fit me better. But this one's in light. Actually, I did get three because I wanted to get the darkest one to show you guys how dark it does go. So I got my two shades, which I think are going to be light and fair. And then I got deep. So this is the deepest one. I think they could still go deeper, but it's pretty nice that they don't just have lighter ones. They have a deeper one. So when it comes to the other video, I'll swatch these for you. I got a lipstick. So they were out of a lot of their lipsticks. I want to open this up. They were out of a lot of their lipsticks, so I did want to try different colors, like the nude colors and colors I would normally wear. But I did get this one. And this is AOA Studio Wonder Lip Block 24-Hour Lipstick in City Girl. Okay, that's really pretty. So it's cute packaging. It's plastic and then you can see through it. And then I got AOA Studio Lips Sugar. Sugar Lips? Lip Sugar? Lip Scrub. And it comes in a tube, which I've only usually seen like the pot lip scrubs, and I actually have pot lip scrubs from Shop Miss A, and they're pretty good. So this one I really wanted to try. I think it's in rose. Yeah, it's in rose. So that will be good. And then I got this contour stick. They didn't really have powder contour, and I know I could have just used like deeper shades of like the setting powder or Perfect Finishing pressed powder, but I wanted to try this stick, and this is in nude. I got an AOA Perfect blush. I love blush, so I'm really excited to look at this. So here this is open. And this is kind of like a peachy, orangey. It's a lot brighter than I thought. This is called Wispy. So it's a lot brighter. We'll see how that turns out. I got this really beautiful velour eyeshadow. And I got two different colors. This is in Borderline. And then it's this really pretty like purple shimmer. Kind of dark smoky. Really excited to use that. And then the other shade I got is in Holiday. And this is just a gorgeous, gorgeous shimmer, which I'm really excited to use. It looks promising. If all this worked and it's all $1, like that's just amazing. And I'm really down for affordable makeup because not everybody can purchase like a $40 blush, which is ridiculous. You can get good Wet n Wild stuff, just a lot of good cheap. e.l.f. has good ones, so I don't think you need to really go out and spend your money. And this is really nice because with this one, if you spend over $30, you get, it's either $1 or free shipping, so that's really good. And $30, I am getting like a full face and more, so that's pretty great, especially if you're like new to makeup. This would be a great like first makeup kit. And this is a cream sheer blush. I don't usually wear cream blushes, but I really wanted to see. This is in Cozy. I'm cozy right now in my sweater. Here this is. So this is super pretty pink. Next up, I have to sneeze. Next up we have this cream highlighter, and this is an opal. And I don't know, this isn't, oh, it's a weird texture, like, you know creamy products, they're kind of like thick. This is super thin. Okay, so this has like a pink reflect. I don't know if I'll like this one. We'll see. Maybe on the skin. I don't know if you can see this, but maybe on the cheeks it'll be better. So we'll see about this one. Dewy Cream Highlight. I wonder if the blush is that way because I don't know if I'll love it that much. Okay, and then I have a AOA Wonder Baked Eyeshadow, and this is in Goblin. So this is a really pretty dark smoky color, nice dark gray. It has a little shimmer in it, so I'm super excited to try this out. I'm wondering if they'll last and wear all day, so I'm really curious to see how that goes. And then I have this Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. These are usually, I think, more expensive than $1, but I think they were on sale. This is in Thermo. And I do actually, they have a lot of magnetic palettes, you know, like Z palettes. They are super good. I have like 3 or 4 of them, and those are awesome. I so recommend them. I think they're $5 or $10, which the Z palettes are $20, so highly recommend you pick one of those up. Okay, so this is, it's like one of those liquid eyeshadows. I'm hoping it's kind of like a Stila one for $1. That would be awesome. And it comes in this kind of wand. It's not really as intense as I thought, maybe if you layer it. So we'll see how this works because it's kind of patchy in a way. I'll show you. So maybe if you like rub it with your fingers, we'll see. So next up I have this Perfect AOA eyeshadow primer. I'm really hoping this works. And this is just it's kind of a make or break, like a cream shade. It's really hard if it creases on you. It's not super, just, you know, it's really thin. So we'll see. So this is the, I don't usually use eyeshadow primers. I get kind of lazy with them, so we'll see how that works. And then I got this AOA Fat Lash Mascara. Okay, so here's the mascara. This is in black. And that's not a bad brush. It's really short and angled at the top, so it doesn't look bad. I'm really curious to see how this works. It feels nice. I don't know if that does anything. Okay, so they have a lot of Wonder Matte liquid lipsticks, and online they look really orangey and not like the shades I would want, so I only picked up one. I would have picked up more, but I just didn't think I would use them or like them, so I don't see the point. So this is in Shade, and it's kind of like a brown lipstick. Yeah, it's nice and brown. I haven't usually worn these kind of shades, or this kind of shade before, so I'm excited to wear this. I really hope it's not like patchy on the lips. Here that is. And then I got this Wonder liquid eyeliner. I wonder if they say Wonder for everything. I wonder if, So my camera decided to die, so we'll go from, I think, where we left off. So I got this sculpting brow pencil. I chose one that's kind of like easy that I could do in my day-to-day routine. So one side has a spoolie. It's kind of shorter and chunkier than what I usually like. I usually like thinner and longer. And then one side has this kind of triangular, it's kind of the longer ones, that not precise pencil, but I'm really curious to try this one. This is in medium brown. Hey guys, as you can probably tell, my camera slowly died, and I just had to do a new camera because I think that footage is really important, that I'm unboxing everything and it makes it funner. So sorry if the quality is a little different or the image is a little different, but let's just continue on and make it a good video. And then I got this AOA Oh Honey Nourishing Lip Oil. It looks like Smashbox kind of packaging. And as you can see, it doesn't look like it has a lot in there. I don't know if it's because of the glass or something, but it's in the scent Apple. And when you pull it up, okay, actually it does look like it has more up here, so maybe it's kind of like an illusion. But so this is pink, and it smells like back in the day people used to get those sour sprays. I don't know if they have them anymore. But in school we would have like the sour sprays, and it'd make you pucker up, and this scent reminds me exactly of those kind of things. So I'm excited to try this. And e.l.f. has a really good nourishing lip oil that I really like too. So. And then I have this AOA Studio XL Long Lasting Shadow Stick. I'm super excited to try this because I really like shadow sticks. I have one on my eyes right now. It's from Laura Mercier. But I think they're so easy because you can just put it on your lid and kind of like rub it in and go. So I'm really excited to try this. This is in Shimmer Noir, and this looks super pretty. It looks kind of like a cool tone brown. I love this, so I'm really excited to see this on my eyes. And then last but not least, I'm super excited about this. They have a new 25 color eyeshadow palette, and it's called Vanity. And they have other colors. They have, I think, 4 different kind of palettes, and these are $10 each, which is such a steal for 25 colors. And I got the more purple one. It has kind of like a plastic shield over it, or a plastic lid. And I thought these colors were so stunning. I've already swatched it before because I've already filmed this video before, but it didn't catch. So I really love these. They look gorgeous. I can't wait to see how they wear on my eye. And I want to swatch one for you. I've heard it's really difficult to make purples, so I really wanted to see how a not smaller company, but a company that sells their products so cheap makes it, or how the quality is. So I'm just gonna take this one and go over. That looks so stunning. That was so easy, and seriously, they're so buttery. I want to try a purple one. I'm taking this one. Yeah, these look gorgeous. So I'm super excited to see how these work and the mattes work. So let me know in the comments to see what you guys are excited about most. I can't wait to make the next video, and hopefully I don't have as many camera troubles. But subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye!